Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. Guys, one thing about ama-trailer, yeyi azosiginga phansi. Listen, they will throw us off because on tonight's trailer of tonight's episode of Uthando Nesithembu, we see uMusa Mseleku asking uNokuzana uMakhomalo lo muzi owuthengile asifakanga any contribution thina. In the diary session, we see uMakhomalo saying ukuthi cha ngizithengele indlu. Now I'm just like, guys, listen, she did say that indirectly in one of the other episodes, one of the previous episodes, but I was there or out here defending uMusa, saying ukuthi no, uMusa must have still given her a budget and then uMakhomalo topped up or something like that. I really hope this girl didn't buy herself a whole house. Guys, like, what does uMakhomalo let uMusa do empilweni yakhe? Because as a woman, even if you have money, teach yourself to put your money aside to go and buy nice things. You can't wear nice things you're buying for yourself. The important things you're buying for yourself. What is this man doing in her life? Or maybe uMakhomalo ubonile ukuthi hayi nendaba yezindlu ingathi inenkulumo kakhulu, so she decided ukuthi akaphume endabeni and buy herself a house. Guys, do you think, let's just say, for an example, uMaNgwabe, yes, people say with the salary she earns as a nurse, she could not buy a house eMasabapini, but I honestly think that uMaNgwabe could have made a plan to buy a house, even if it's not in the suburbs, if she really wanted to. So sometimes, guys, I'm not happy ngoMakhomalo ngendlela enza izinto ngakhona. And yes, we're not supposed to be staying in marriages for material things, but your partner must at least pride themselves in doing some sorts of things for you. At this point, I'm just like uMusa Mseleku. He's the one who's getting an allowance from uMakhomalo. He's the one benefiting from uMakhomalo along with his wives. Yeah, uMakhomalo, what is she benefiting? Fairly small, Bonji. Yeah, I shamed, guys. Anyway, let's pause it right there. You tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge. And I'll see you guys on the next one.